Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can pair ZOLO Liberty Plus earbuds with any MacBook. First of all, you have to open this charging case and then remove left and the right earbud. Right now you have to take a look for these indicators. In the most cases they are activated automatically, but in my case I have to grab them and click twice for the both touchpad. So just right here together. 1, 2, we did it, and right now we have to take a look for the indicators. Looks like they are still not working, so let's repeat. But right now just click and hold both touchpads. Do not tap once or twice, just click and hold them for a few seconds. Okay, and as you can see right now, after a few taps, they are right now working and the right is blinking, so it means that it's in the pairing mode. So right now we have to go to the sound settings, go to the Bluetooth, turn it on by tapping on the switcher and select ZOLO Liberty Plus from the list. As you can see right now, we are successfully connected. You can also go to the sound settings, take a look for the output and the input, and just be sure that our ZOLO Liberty Plus are selected. That's all for this video. Hope you like it.